This video we'll be looking at different notation and ways of selecting a subarray. That differs from selecting a specific element in an array. So for example, in this example, A2, 3 simply means row 2, column 3, and that's 9, and A41 is row 4, column 1, which is 3. So we're not looking at the selection of a single element in an array, but the selection of a subarray in itself. The first example is where you use the colon to specify a range. So what you see there is A 2, 4, 3, 4. So the 2, 4 means from row 2 to row 4. So you'll see that I've encircled those rows 2 to 4. And the 3 to 4 means from column 3 to column 4. So that's the last two columns. The resulting subarray is where these two areas overlap. And if you look carefully, it's 901715. So that would be the selected subarray where the two specific ones overlap. When the colon is used on its own, it simply means all. So what we have here is row 2, all the columns in row 2. So your answer is all the elements in row 2. So the colon on its own simply means all. So if you apply that same rule here, we are looking at column 4 and then all the rows in column 4. So our final subarray is 7075. When the word end is used with a colon, end normally refers to the last one. So in this case we have 3 colon end, which simply means from column 3 to the last column. So the 2 before the comma refers to the second row, and 3 colon end refers to columns 3 and 4. And where those two overlap, that is your final subarray. So in this case it's 90. When you only have the word end, it simply refers to the last one. In this case the last row is 3715, and then the columns are specified column 3 to the last column. So we have those two circles, and where they overlap we have our final subarray, which in this case is 15.